Good morning students. Today we are going to start with practice set 42 third sum. In the third sum, radius is not given, diameter is not given. They have just given circumference, that is 616 centimeter. Now we need to find diameter and radius. So we are using the formula circumference is equal to pi into diameter. So what's our circumference? 616 is equal to pi, that is 22 upon 7 into diameter. So here we are written diameter because we have to find out. So we are taking the diameter on the left hand side. We are multiplying 616 into 7 upon 22 because 22 upon 7 goes on that side. It turns into reciprocal. So 616 upon 22, that comes up to 196. Now we came to know that diameter is 196 centimeter. We need to find radius. So what's the formula for that? Diameter upon 2. So what's our diameter? 196 upon 2. That comes up to 98. The same way, the fourth sum, also radius is not given, diameter is not given, circumference is 72.6. We are using the same formula, circumference is equal to pi d. So circumference we are taking 72.6, pi 22 upon 7 into diameter. 22 upon 7 we are taking on the left hand side towards 72.6. When it goes on that side, it is reciprocal again. So 72.6 into 7 upon 22. So we get diameter as 23.1. Now we came to know that diameter is 23.1. So what's the radius? So for finding radius, that is diameter upon 2. That is 23.1 upon 2 becomes to 11.55. Now we'll solve the second sum. If the circumference of a circle is 176, find its radius. Here circumference is given 176 centimeter. They have just asked us to find the radius. So we are using another formula, that is circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So what is our circumference? 176 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. We are taking 7 on the 7 and 22 on the other side. So 176 into 7, 2 into 22. So what is going on? 1, 8, 8. 1 10, 4 are. So 7 4s are 28. So radius is 28 centimeter. Now we'll solve the third sum. The radius of a circular garden is 56 meter. What would it cost to put a 4 round fence around this garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter? You can see, for example, I have drawn this figure. It's in a round circle garden with a radius of 56 meter. Now a fence has to be done around, that is for 4 times. Means 4 times the fence has to be done like this. So what would be the cost of it? Now what is the circumference of the circle? That is 2 pi r. So it will be 2 into 22 upon 7, and what's our radius? 56. So that comes up to 352. The length of the wire required for one round of fencing is 352. For one round it is 352, which we found now. The length of wire required for 4 round. So we need 4 rounds to be done. So 350 into 4, that comes up to 1408. Now the cost of 1408 meter of wire, how much it should be? For 1 meter it is 40. So 40 into 1408, that comes up to 56,320 rupees needed for the 4 times fence to be done. Now we'll solve the fourth sum. The wheel of a bullock cart has a diameter of 1.4 meter. How many rotations will the wheel complete as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer? I'll show an example over here. Assume that this is a bullock cart wheel which got a 1.4 meter. This is the distance 1.1 kilometer to be traveled. So how many rotations it will take to reach 1.1 kilometer? Now we'll solve this sum. Let the wheel of the cart complete x rotation. We don't know how many rotation is going to take. So we are going to consider as x rotation. the distance covered by the wheel is equal to the circumference of the wheel into the number of rotation. So what is that? 1.1 kilometer into 1000 is equal to 1.4 into 22 upon 7 into x. So x is equal to 1.1 into 1000 into 7 upon 1.4 into 22. We do the working, that comes up to 250. The wheel completes around 250 rotations.